Hey everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric, and today we are going to remove the transmission, finally. I think we have a customer, so obviously we have to get it done and get it out. First we will remove this long shaft that goes from the shifter all the way to transmission. Let's go. Finally, I'm dirty. I looked it up yesterday a little bit closer. This transmission is about 550 kilos. So because of the weight, we need to get it with the pallet jack a little bit closer to it. In that case, we have to cut off these brackets. This is the auxiliary drive with mechanical output over here, plus the hydraulic pump over here that was actually running the hydraulic cylinders for this skipper. I think I will leave it together with it now, even though I have a customer just for the transmission, and we'll take off this case later if he doesn't want it. When I got here, this pallet jack was here, it was broken. The electromotor that drove the hydraulic pump here was broken, and I couldn't find any. So I decided I will make it mechanical. So I used this hydraulic pump that was on Tatra and that was lifting up the cab. I just simply put it here. I even used the hoses and tubes from Tatra hydraulic system, of course some garden hose for return, and this should work properly. I'm going to use it first time for this transmission, so we will see what the result will be. I'm not sure if the lift will be enough to get the transmission over the frame. I hope it will be fine. And now we will unbolt all these bolts. When you look at here, this is connected to the transfer case or auxiliary transmission, and we'll unbolt all these bolts over here, and then we will slide it out. Hopefully there will be no problem at all.
No. Okay.
Here's a sensor, I think it's temperature sensor, and I guess I have to remove it before I disconnect the transmission. So only the pallet jack is holding it now. Ah. Okay, seems like we got it out. Okay, pallet jack still works. And I'm really concerned if we can actually lift it up beyond this frame. That would suck if we will not. Okay, I think we can start lifting it up. It's maximum, and I need like 3 more inches. I thought it will be easier a little bit. I think the best way is to remove the wheel, front one, and lower this side as much as we can. It already pisses me off because of 3 inches. So now we will lower it, and hopefully it will be low enough so I can remove the I hope it's low enough. I don't want to have any other surprise here. Wish me luck. If it works, I will start believing miracles. Wow! It's out. I really didn't believe it. Okay, it's out! Miracle! So as you can see, we have our transmission off and a little bit more exposed the transfer case. You can see that the power from the motor through the transmission goes here. Here is one gear, here is another gear over here, and there is third gear inside. I would like to modify this casing for and make a speed reducer from it. Of course, those electric motors have much higher RPM, so we will have to change the gearing, but I would like to keep the casing, because if I will be successful to keep the casing, it will be just few £100 or dollars to do the modification. And after the gearing is done over here, there will be two motors. One will be here and second one will be from another side. Okay, that will be a wrap for today. Stay tuned for next episode, because we are going to remove this huge frame next time. If you want to support us, you can do so through Patreon and through PayPal. And of course, like, share and subscribe is necessity. See you next time. Just a quick update, we just got these t-shirts in black color with logos on them, and if you get one, your name or name of your company can be featured in the credits of our videos. If you are interested, you can contact us through email down below, offroadexpeditions@gmail.com.